Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I am going to guide you on how to turn on the protection mode in the RedNote app. By turning on this setting, you will not receive any of the messages from the accounts or any contents from the unfollowed accounts. So let's start the video. The RedNote app first, and you will be on the home page. Then tap on the me icon that is at the top right at the bottom bar, and you can see your profile here. Now tap on the setting option that is right after the profile icon. Then you will see here several settings like account security, general settings, notification settings, privacy settings, but you have to click on the privacy settings. And now here you will see the protection mode at the very first. Tap on it. So after turning it on, the protection mode will be enabled. You will not receive any private messages, comments or sharings from the unfollowed account. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.